Well friends, here is problem number 32. Yes, the given figure is here and we have to find exact or similar figure in the given alternatives. So if you observe the given figure, yes, I will draw here that figure. This is a square box and this is the portion filled with color. Okay, and here I am having a circle and this inclined line, and then I am having one small square inside the box. Okay, this is the given figure. So what I said in the previous example, observe carefully the given figure and go with clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. So if you take clockwise direction, after this filled portion or colored portion, I am having, yes, exactly next to the colored portion I am having a circle, and that should be present in the given alternatives. So start seeing the options. If you see the first option, if you take in the clockwise direction like this, in the clockwise direction, after colored portion I am having circle. So this may be my correct option. Now moving to second option, yes, I am having the circle after colored portion in the clockwise direction. So you can see this clockwise direction. Now moving to third option, yes, I am also having here a circle after colored portion. Moving to fourth option, after colored portion you are getting a square. In the clockwise direction, if you see, after colored portion I am having square. So that will be the wrong option. So I will eliminate this option. Now I am left with only first, second, third option. Now next, after this circle or after this box, whichever you can choose. So I will take after this circle. After this circle, I am having this inclined line. And also, whenever you solve the problems of this kind, you should see that the inclination of line should be in the same direction. If you see this inclination in this direction, then that will be the wrong option. So inclination in the given figure, if it is like this, then the option should also get the inclination like this only. If it is having like this inclination or exactly opposite inclination, then that option will be the wrong option. Now let us see. After circle in the clockwise direction, if I move, I should get this inclined line. So if you see the first option, after circle in the clockwise direction, I am not having that inclination or I am not having that line, rather I am having a square. So that is a wrong option. This is a wrong option. Now we eliminated two options, first and fourth option. I left with only two options, that is option second and option third. So if I eliminate one of those options, I will get the correct option. So what I said, after circle I should get an inclined line, which should be, yes, the direction of inclination should be like this. So if you see the third and second option, after circle I am having inclined line in the clockwise direction. Okay, yes, in the second option I am having that. In the third option, yes, after circle I am having a square. So after circle in the clockwise direction, if I move, I am getting a square, which is wrong. So I left with only one option. So that option will be the right option. So this is how we solve this example. So given figure should be observed carefully and then go with the clockwise movement or anti-clockwise movement and go with the shapes which are present in the given figure, and then eliminate the wrong options from the given options. Definitely you are going to get correct option. Okay friends, now I will move to next problem.